I'm not sure if you are like me, but I seem to spend hours in the supermarket looking for gluten-free products. Well, I'm here to tell you that Countdown have a really cool feature on their website that lets you search for gluten-free products in a click of a button. Now, just before I show you that, I want to let you know that my name is Alana Scott and I'm an ambassador for Coeliac New Zealand. Right, let's head to the Countdown website and take a look at this feature. Okay, so I'm on countdown.co.nz and I'm currently on their homepage. What I want you to do is to click on the shop page at the top of the website, the shop button, and this will take you to the grocery area. We're now going to search for a product that I'd like to find a gluten-free option for. So we're going to do rice crackers. Select it from the menu. And then once you land here, you'll see that there's a whole lot of options. Now, right now, we don't know if these contain gluten or are gluten-free, and you need to click into each of one of these to find out more information. If we go to the top of the page, you'll see that there's actually a dietary and lifestyle drop-down. Now, when you go into here, you'll find filters. And if you click on the gluten-free filter, that is going to pull up all of the gluten-free options that Countdown have in their database. And so you don't have to do as much searching. How cool is that? Essentially, you can find gluten-free products at a click of a button. This can save you heaps and heaps of time. Now, one thing to remember is that you do need to set this filter every time you search. So if I go and put in ice cream, it will redo the search, and then you need to come back here and just tick on that gluten-free filter again, just to make sure you're only seeing the gluten-free options. Now, the other thing I need to mention is that while this is an incredible tool and we're super excited about having this gluten-free filter available to us, you just need to remember that sometimes manufacturers can change their ingredients at short notice. So what that means is that when the product arrives at your house or when you're in the supermarket looking at one of these products, just remember to check the ingredients list. Look for your obvious sources of gluten and then also check the allergen statement to make sure it's going to be suitable for you. We hope you have fun shopping with the Countdown gluten-free filter, and we can't wait to hear what you end up buying.